Hi, everybody. I know this is strange, uh, the way things are going right now, but I'll talk about that in a minute. Today is Wednesday, October 14th, and today is an A day. Um, the first thing I want to talk about is where to find your homework assignments. Okay, so homework assignments, they're going to be a little bit different, but if you remember your Bitmoji pages that we've been talking about since the beginning of the year, there's a spreadsheet like in the middle of it that says daily assignments or daily work or daily tasks. That link shows you a spreadsheet with all of the assignments for all of your classes. Okay, so that's where you're going to be going for your assignments on that particular page. We'll give more information about other things um, as the day goes on, or as the week goes on, I should say. And we'll give you updates if something changes. But for now, that's what I want you to do. There's another way you can find those, by the way. You can find those by going to the Middle School East webpage. It's right here. You get there by going to GahannaSchools.org, going to Our School, and then you can navigate down to Middle School East. Additionally, from there, if you scroll down about halfway, it says Teacher and Staff Portals. Click on Teacher and Staff Portals, and then it will take you to a list of all of the teachers you're looking for the principals page, okay? And so you just click on the principals portal, and it will come up with, let me see if we can just do this. Okay, so here is the portals. You can see all of these portals all the way down. You're scrolling down until you find link to principals page, which is right here. Okay, so when you click on that, what you're going to get is this page. Okay, it has the AB day schedule, the distance learning launch pages, which is what I want you to think about, and then the grade of the page. Okay, so if you click on, let's say you're a sixth grade student, click on this link, you will get your page that has all of the work. So today's the 14th. Here's the 14th. If you have Muscadio for Language Arts, here is your assignment and all the links included on there. Okay, so make sure that's where you're going, and you can see what you're getting, and you get what you need. Okay, so that's the plan for getting your assignments to you. So I've been sitting here thinking about how I could talk to you about this, but about what's going on right now. You might not have ever been uh, around or even knowledgeable about a strike that's going on right now with the teachers. Um, a strike is not necessarily a negative thing. Basically, what it means is that the Teachers Association or the group of teachers don't agree with the superintendent and Board of Education's proposal for their contract. Okay, so all of the teachers work under one contract, and it's an agreement between the Board of Education superintendent and the teachers, all the teachers collectively as a teachers association. If there's not an agreement, they talk and they talk and they negotiate. Most times, that negotiation yields in some compromises that both parties can agree to. They sign a contract and move on, and you might not even know that that's going on. It all happens in the background. Sometimes those contract negotiations take longer. The contract negotiations that are going on right now have been going on, since June maybe, or even before that. And while there has been some agreements on some things, there hasn't been agreement on everything. And so the longer those disagreements go, the more chance and the more likely that one of the sides will feel like they need to do something more to make sure that the contract negotiations are moving in the direction that they would like. So in this particular case, the teacher said, we don't feel like there's enough agreement. We can't compromise, so we're going to go on a strike. Or we can't accept the compromises that the superintendent has put in front of us, so we're going to go on a strike. So that's what's going on. That's why your teachers are not in the building. You might be driving around Gahanna and see the teachers in front of Middle School East or the high school or one of the other buildings. And they're not coming to work. They are trying to be visible. And they're trying to make a point to get back to the negotiating table. So that's really all I can say about it. I don't have a lot more information than that, although what I can tell you is it's difficult. It's difficult for you not to be in communication with your teachers, because I know your teachers have been very supportive of you, and many of you have very close relationships with your teachers. It's certainly difficult for those of us who are still working because the teachers do a lot to support you and do a lot to support things that are going on in a school. But we're doing our best. Mr. McCreary, myself, the secretaries are here. We have a few other people in the building as well as custodians and different people. So we're doing our best to try to support you. Obviously, we're here, we're answering questions, we're trying to work to make things as smooth as possible, but I can't be in all of the live classrooms that your teachers were running across 3 grade levels all at the same time. There's just one of me, so I can't do that. Even if it's Mr. McCreary and myself, the two of us can't do that. So we're trying to look for some solutions that we can to give you some live interaction with your lessons as this strike is continuing. Hopefully, I'm hopeful that it won't last long, because I want you to get back with your teachers and have some sense of normalcy in your life. What I would like to do is to maybe sit down and have lunch with you guys. So if you are an 8th grader, today at 11 o'clock, go to google.meet.com meet.google.com, sorry, and then go to MSE Barboza. I'll be there at 11 o'clock. I'll be there for 8th grade today. I'll be there for 7th grade on Thursday, and I'll be there for 6th grade on Friday. Again, today, Wednesday, 8th grade, Thursday, 7th grade, Friday, 6th grade. Okay? Each day at 11 o'clock, I'll be right here, meet.google.com, and use the code MSE Barboza. You're not required to come, but if 200 people came, that would be fine. If 15 people came, that would be fine. But if you have questions for me, I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to answer them. If you just want to visit with each other, I'll be here, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, up to a half an hour, and we'll just talk. So hopefully some of you can take advantage of that, and we can stay connected. You can stay connected to the school here, and I can stay connected to you guys. I would appreciate that. I would really like it, actually. So that's the plan, and hopefully you guys can join me the rest of this week, starting today at 11. I do have some strange facts just for fun. There is one figure that dominates the largest statues in the world. Okay, so 8 of the 10 largest statues in the world are of this one figure, Buddha. 8 of the 10 largest statues are of Buddha. It took the creator of the Rubik's Cube, you've seen the Rubik's Cube, right? It took the creator of the Rubik's Cube, whose name was Erno Rubik, 1 month to solve this cube after he created it in way back in, I think, the 70s. I think I had one of the original Rubik's Cubes way back then when I was in middle school. But as of June 2018, I think the record's faster than this right now. The world record was 4.22 seconds. So the inventor of the Rubik's Cube took a month. The record is well under 5 seconds. Okay. We'll have more strange facts for you coming up. Hopefully I'll see you guys at 11 o'clock, 8th grade. Again, 7th grade on Thursday, and 6th grade on Friday at 11 o'clock for just a little social gathering, question and answer session, conversation with the principal. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you have a good day here on Wednesday. Take care.